In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wix support and access their excellent customer service, whether you're running into technical glitches, need assistance with billing, or simply have questions about your website design. Wix support can provide you with the assistance you need. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to get you the help you require. First things first, you need to navigate to the Wix homepage. Open your browser and go to wix.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. Having your account open will ensure you have a seamless transition through the support process. Now that you're on the Wix homepage with your account signed in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the option labeled Help. It's usually represented by a question mark or just the word Help. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing various support resources that Wix offers. Once you click Help, you'll be directed to a page featuring a variety of help topics and guides. However, to get personalized support and speak with a representative, you'll want to look for an option that says Chat with Us. This feature typically uses AI integrated chat support, which can quickly address and escalate your issues if needed. Click on Chat with Us to initiate the conversation. As the chat opens up, you'll see a prompt allowing you to type in your concerns. Be as detailed as possible when entering your issues. The more specific you are about the problem, the faster and more accurately the support team can assist you. Whether it's a technical issue or a question about using a particular feature, don't hesitate to describe your situation thoroughly. Once you've entered your concerns, look for a button to submit your query. This button might be labeled as Send or simply represented by an arrow icon, typically located next to your text input field. Clicking this will send your message and you'll be connected to a support representative who can offer further guidance. Wix's customer service team is usually prompt in their response, aiming to provide effective solutions to your queries. So sit back and engage with the representative, and feel free to ask follow-up questions if something isn't clear. And that's it. You've successfully contacted Wix support to get the help you need. Remember, having your account information and specific questions ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Don't hesitate to reach out for any concerns you might have, as their team is there to help you make the most out of your Wix experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope your issues are resolved swiftly.